Hello everyone. A common question that I get asked is, what are the common reasons and threads why people consider therapy? So today I thought it might be worthwhile to talk about some of them. One common thread is feeling different, specifically meaning that their friends, family, significant others don't really understand what they're about and where they're coming from. Therapy is a really good opportunity to have a clinician help explore some of those potential differences that you might have. Another one is feeling alone with our thoughts. It's just another way that a lot of people feel as it relates to how they think and feel about their own being and their own thoughts. One way that you can potentially get past that is to be able to appreciate and acknowledge the fact that it's just a thought that's coming in your mind and not really a fact, just to be able to get a sense of distance from you and the thought that you might be having. Another common one is wanting to think positive, and that's really a pet peeve of mine, is because I feel like a lot of people, especially in today's world, are looking for just to think positively. Everything is positive. But from a clinical point of view, that's not only is that not possible, it's actually robbing you of some very important information, such as other less pleasant feelings. Remember, feelings in general are your own guidance to your inner world. That information is priceless in telling you who you are, what you're about, and what you could do to move forward. An individual who simply wants to focus on positive information or positive thoughts or affirmations are losing very valuable information in the form of less pleasant or typically called negative emotions. One other reason that typically brings people in is self-doubt. A lot of people have what's called an imposter phenomenon. They're projecting a sense of surety and confidence, but at the core of their own being, struggle with a lot of self-doubt and self-deprecating statements. Therapy is one of those great opportunities to sort of take a closer look to their own inner worlds and become a little bit more authentic in who they are. Another common reason is for individuals to practice avoidance of negative feelings. Again, this kind of adds to one of the first things that I've mentioned, is really focusing on the negative, unpleasant feelings, because again, they are telling us information that we could use to improve. Remember, emotions are a snapshot, a guidance. The way I'd like to think of it, there's a phrase out there that people use, a picture's worth 1,000 words, and I think that an emotion is worth 1,000 cognitive words. Because when somebody says, I'm sad, it kind of denotes not only information to self, but also to somebody else for pull, for soothing. So remember, don't shy away from negative feelings. Get curious about what they are, get curious about what they're telling you, and most importantly, use that information to grow in your personal lives. If any other reasons that I just mentioned seem to resonate with you, this might be an opportunity for you to think closely about potentially coming into speaking to a professional. Hope you guys found this helpful. As always, please leave some comments below so that I can answer your specific questions in the next YouTube video.